Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you T ratios, that is trigonometrical ratios. The meaning of trigonometry I have made you clear, that measurement of the triangle where we have done measurement of the angles. Today we are going to do the measurement of the sides. We call it as T ratios. T ratios. Triangle is having three sides. Is the definition of the triangle, it is a three-sided closed figure. We have different types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. So many types of triangles are there. Scalene triangle, scalene triangle will come out to be here, where all sides are different. Here all sides are different. Then comes out to be isosceles, where two sides are equal. Then comes out to be equilateral, where all three sides are equal. And the triangle which is in our syllabus, that is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. This triangle is only in our syllabus. Basics will come from this triangle only. Then we will convert the higher angles to the lower one and solve it. The right angle triangle means one angle is of 90 degree. One angle is of a 90 degree. We call it as a right angle triangle. You are doing it, I think, from 8th standard. If here lies angle theta, side facing theta is called perpendicular. Or opposite side. Perpendicular or opposite side. Side facing 90 degree, call it as hypotenuse. Side facing 90 degree, hypotenuse. And the third side is called base or adjacent side. These are simply the type of the triangles which I have explained there. In fact, your portion starts from here, a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle with one angle 90 degree, no concern with the other angles. Side facing theta, we call it as perpendicular or opposite side. Side facing 90, we call it as hypotenuse. Third side, which is with the hypotenuse and the angle, we call it as base or adjacent side. So thus we have got three sides: hypotenuse H, base B, perpendicular P. We take the ratio of these three sides. We take the ratio of these three sides and we call it as T ratios. The ratio of these three sides turnwise we will take, we call it as T ratio. First T ratio, we will take the ratio of perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. We call it as sine theta. See, there are three sides. I have taken the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse, these two sides, and I have given it the name as sine theta. Second one, base divided by hypotenuse, and we call it as cos theta. The name given to this ratio is a cos theta. Then perpendicular by base. The name given to this ratio is tangent theta, that is tan theta. See once again, right angle triangle is there in our syllabus only. Side facing 90 is hypotenuse. Side facing the angle theta is perpendicular or the opposite side. In the third side, which is the third side which makes angle theta with hypotenuse, we call it as base or adjacent side. So I am considering the sides H for hypotenuse, B for base, P for perpendicular. So then I will take the ratio of these three. First ratio which I have taken is perpendicular by hypotenuse. It is not I have taken, you have to take this. You have to take the ratio of perpendicular by hypotenuse, we call it as sine theta. Base by hypotenuse, cos theta. Perpendicular by base, tan theta. Thus I have got three ratios, three reciprocal. That is fourth. I will take it as, let's consider this base in the numerator, perpendicular in the denominator, and its name is cotangent, that is cot theta. Cotangent, in short we are writing cot theta. Then fifth ratio, hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse in the numerator, base in the denominator, and we name it as secant. In short we are writing it as SEC, otherwise it is secant theta. And the sixth one, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular, reciprocal of sine, cosecant theta. So thus there are 60 ratios. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Reciprocal of the three. Reciprocal of tan is cot, cos is secant, sine is cosecant. So thus from these ratios we will go ahead and taking these ratios. And angle we know already, we have done angle and its measurement. So we can find algebraically the sides of the triangle. So this is the topic we are going to do today. If you want to learn it in a short, I am going to write it. If you feel it easy, do like it. Learn it as PVP, HHB. Learn it as PBP and HHB. PBP, ratio of the first two, P by H sin theta. Ratio of the next two, B by H cos theta. Ratio of the next two, P by B as tan theta. Sin cos tan. PBP HHB. Ratio of P by H is sin, B by H is cos, P by B is tan, and then their reciprocals. So thus we will get 60 ratios. Those who know Hindi, you can learn it as Pandit Badri Prasad. PBP Pandit Badri Prasad. Har har bole. So that will give you the basic 3T ratios, then take the reciprocals. See, Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. So then divide in turn, you will get sin, cos and tan. So like that, you can go with the basic ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and then the 6 reciprocals, that is cot, secant and cosecant theta. So then next, now in our syllabus, only right angle is there. Only right angle is there, 90 degree, here it is angle theta, then we have done P, B and H. It's perpendicular base and hypotenuse. Now from Pythagoras theorem, we know H square equals P square plus B square. A square equals P square plus B square, or better you write down P square plus B square equals H square. P square plus B square equals H square. Write it in this way, it will be a little bit easier. Both are same. We know this equation. Put it as number 1. Dividing 1 by H square. Dividing 1 by H square. We will get P square by H square, B square by H square, H square by H square. Dividing 1 by H square. So this is what we will get. Then I can put it as P by H, then square, B by H, then square equals 1. And P by H we have done already is a sine. Thus it is sine square theta. B by H is cos. Cos square theta equals 1. So first identity of trigonometry, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Then divide 1 by b square. One by b square. P square by b square. B square by b square. H square by b square. So why divide throughout by b square? Here I can put it as p by b square plus 1 h by b square. P by b is for tan square theta. H by b is secant. So thus we have got the identity 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta. Then divide first by, we have already divided by h and b. Now divide by p. Dividing 1 by p square. Dividing 1 by p square. P square by p square. B square by p square. H square by p square. P square by p square 1. B by p. H by p. 1 plus b by p is cot. H by p cosecant. So thus we have got the identity cosecant square theta equals 1 plus cot square theta. So thus we have got 3 identities. First is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Second, secant square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta. Third, cosecant square theta equals 1 plus cot square theta. So these are the 3 identities. Overall, I have explained what is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Then, how to prove the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, secant square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta, cosecant square theta equals 1 plus cot square theta. So with this identities I would like to finish it today. Tomorrow I will teach you how to find the sides, how to find the ratios. At last, again the same request. If you are finding my way of teaching is easy, kindly subscribe and press the icon bell. For your any doubt, my contact number is 9886492317. You can WhatsApp me your problem there and I will solve it. So that's it today. Good night.